Hey, this is Mike, and today I'd like to talk about Reinvent Technology Partners. The stock trades on the NYC under symbol RTP. The stock was up almost 3%, up to $11.28. In the pre-market, it is down to $11. This is a SPAC that is merging with uh, Joby Aviation. Now, this is a pretty interesting company. They're creating an all-electric sort of passenger vehicle that's ideally going to be a short range vehicle for urban transportation. So as they show in this demonstration here, it can go from LAX to Newport Beach in really fast time. And if you know about Southern California traffic, this is literally like a 2-hour drive. So they would be able to accomplish this in 15 minutes. So that's actually, if you look at mega cities, you could see where Joby Aviation could really become a valuable service. It being all electric, that's going to be really good for megacities since megacities tend to be very polluted and electric vehicles are clean air. I really like the concept of Joby Aviation. However, I will say I would probably not get into the spec just because I'd like to see this this service, this company be in service for a couple of months and just see like proof of concept. I mean, yes, they have a vehicle and I'm sure the vehicle works, but I just like to see like the service begins. The thing about investing is you don't need to be the first person into an investment. Like you don't need to buy Bitcoin at $10 a share, at $10 a coin. You could buy at $1,000 a coin. Just like wait for the proof of concept to come in. That's why I would not jump into the stock right away because let's say Joby Aviation is able to deploy their vehicles and get some service started in LAX and let's say JFK Airport in New York, and the stock doubles and triples up to 30. Well, at that point, they've shown proof of concept. So at that point, then you could get in because at that point, then the aircraft service will go into other cities and other markets, and potentially that stock will go up 10x or 20x. So, like I said, I would wait. I would like to see a more proof of concept that they could get this service approved and up and going and get some, business and get some reliable revenue. But at this point, I would just sit and wait and just keep it on my radar and just wait to see the service be deployed before I would get into it. But I do think it's a very interesting company, and it's probably the future, especially as cities get more and more dense and it just becomes more impractical to sort of do this long distance driving. I mean, I lived in LA for a while, and I could tell you that just getting anywhere around town outside of your neighborhood's a real big pain because the traffic is just ridiculous. But just so I pointed out, once again, Reinvent Technology Partners trades on the NYC on the symbol RTP. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot.